portable shield right there.
I wonder if I can actually point my pistol out of this.
Yep. Yes, you can.
Yeah, cool.
So yeah, if you can't get the bike in there, I might have to give it a little nudge with your car. Yeah, just a little one.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, I'm sure this should be able to scoop it up, right? I'll fucking sandwich it towards the wall or something.
Yeah, maybe. Right, block the road in front.
It's still there.
Maybe don't sandwich it towards the pump.
I think I'm gonna have to use the wall behind you.
Hey, look, it stood up. Nearly. Oh, watch that pump.
Brick!
There's a live pump right behind you.
It's gonna be fine, probably.
No. Oh. I don't think it's going to go in, Shane.
Well.
Okay. I'll keep an eye out for cops. Watch them gas tanks. Maybe just push it the whole way there. No.
I mean, yeah, that could work, I guess.
Oh, it nearly went in.
Try to nudge it in with the car again, I guess. Oh. A little bit more, maybe? There we go, perfect.
Okay,
Got it.
let's go.
Yeah. What's the best way to bed to do plans now?
Turn right, maybe? Yeah, turn right.
Alright, don't bullshit me, dude. Come on. If you get out, you can walk away. Or I'm gonna arrest you, and I'm gonna take your car for having illegal underglow.
What? Why?
Because the colour blue is illegal underglow.
I can change it.
But that's great, but at the time it was on the road, it was illegal. So you can either get in your car and drive away and come back for another way to the bike, or we
Okay, I'll
can
drive away.
make... No!
Whoa!
Fuck me. 154, showing active 1080 of a bulldozer. Eastbounders. We are speeds of 14 miles an hour, passing the Davis, Sheriff's Office. Can you get the guy in the Subaru to back off?
Back off,
Leave
please.
the area.
I'm the
Oh,
escort
fuck.
vehicle.
How?
Well, not anymore, you're not.
What you? Oh, so you're going to escort him to Vlad's? Oh, okay, cool. I'll leave you with it. No problem.
Thank you.
Shane.
It's fine, Jordan. I'll get this to Vlad. If it so costs me my life.
Shane, it's not that deep, man. All right, I'll meet you at Vlad's. I found the switch for your underglow. I've turned it off. Okay. Shane's on his way. It's gonna be a hot drop because he's got the police in tow. So yeah, just to make you aware.
Hot drop. What is a hot drop?
Okay, so I made a deal with them.
Okay.
They let me dump the bike at Benny's, but then I have to surrender, okay?
What do you mean at Benny? You're nearly at Vlad's.
Yeah, at Vlad's. Yeah, Vlad's.
Don't surrender. I'll get your car ready.
So I might be going away for a while, Jordan, but
No, you won't. No, you won't. No, you won't. Your car's here, ready to go. Engine's on.
shoot me if I try to go away.
No, they won't. No, they won't. Just pull. Don't come into Vlad's with the dumper. Park outside, and then jump in your car and fuck off.
Can you like park it at the exit with the engine running?
It's parked at the the entrance slash exit to Vlad's with the engine running.
Okay.
And the lights turned off, so it's not obvious that it's running.
Oh, it's fun. It's like $500,000 motorcycle. Jeez.
No, you don't, bitch! Fuck's sake.
Run, my boy, run! Shit.
left it in his scoop, so if they're all off the
Oh,
vehicle,
stop. Do not bring that in here, bro.
There's a this is the transport vehicle for the motorbike. They know I'm coming.
Dude, if you hit something
I'm not gonna
and
hit anything.
explode,
It's not gonna explode.
I
it's
am
fine.
gonna yell at you big
I've
time.
already exploded once today.
Are you even licensed, man?
Yes, I am. Yeah, I am.
Alrighty, I trust you.
Okay. Do you want to get out the bucket? It's not really safe.
Yeah. Come on.
Oh, sure. You know, have my
Yes,
ass.
yes, I'm sure. Do it.
You need the
I'll
bike's
be
go-
okay, man.
Okay,
Just
hold
go.
on,
Quit
hold
being
on.
scared.
Jesus. You're making this more dangerous than it needs to be. Okay.
I told you, man. Don't be scared.
I didn't want you to get hurt.
I'll be alright, man. No worries. I got God protecting me, so I'm all good.
Hey, Tommy. So this is Plan B, is it?
Yes, Plan B for bulldozer.
Fuck me, right? Oh God. Okay. Jesus wept. I guess dump it in there.
Okay.
I'll see what I can do.
Yep, sounds good.